They thought I was finished. They thought I was left behind. But it's never like that. See, I don't disappear to quit. I disappear to evolve. While they were watching the surface, I was working in silence. While they laughed, I was planning. While they moved on, I was building my return. You don't write me off that easy. I'm not the type to fold. I fall back just to launch forward. And now, I'm stepping back into the light, not to be seen, but to be remembered. This isn't for attention. This is to remind the world who I am. I'm not done. I'm just getting started. Every setback was fuel. Every doubt added fire. And now I'm charged up with purpose and pain, and I'm turning all of it into power. So to the ones who thought it was over, you were wrong. This is the rise. This is the restart. This is the version of me you weren't ready for. I'm not coming back soft. I'm coming back savage. Watch me.